Okay, Kitty, let's choose which pouch I will unpack. There's purple, yellow, green, blue. Kitty has chosen this yellow one. Here's the letter K. What else inside? Oh, it's a pigeon, a yellow pigeon. It's a sheep, a yellow sheep. Okay, Kitty, let's use it. It's blue, green, purple. Okay, this time the kitty has chosen this green one. It's the letter E. Letter E. And the second one is this U. Let's see which animal is inside. Okay, it's a frog. Okay, Kitty, let's choose the third one. Choosing this pretty blue color. Okay, it's the letter V. And oh, it's a dolphin, a blue dolphin. And it's the letter N. Okay, Kitty, it's the last one. It's the pretty purple color. And it's the purple letter W. And the second letter is G. Let's see which animal is there. And it's a rabbit, a white cute rabbit.